It's like many of us today, when we gather for food, and it's Malaysian tradition to eat with your hand, Islamic tradition, Prophet ﷺ did it. And so when the time comes for you to drink something, instead of taking that glass in your right hand, because your right hand has now become greasy with your biryani or whatever, right? You know, your satay, whatever. So you now instead pick it up with your left hand. And you place your right hand under it. Some people just point a finger on it. That's the connection there. Right? And they drink. But what has happened? Satan's victory. He got you to do exactly what Rasulullah ﷺ said, don't do. Not in ambiguous terms, so you could think, well, maybe he meant this, or maybe he meant that, and so on, so. No. Straight, clear, open terms. He said, do not eat and drink with your left hand. Do not. And there you are picking up that glass with your left hand and putting your right hand underneath as if. What does this do? What does this right hand do? So you're drinking with your left, while believing in your mind, you're drinking with your right. That's what's happened to us. Ignorance. Satan whispers what sounds nice, it sounds reasonable. Who wants to dirty up their glass? But it's going to get washed anyway. Is it? So anybody is going to take your glass and drink from it? So you're worried that your greasy hand is going to greasy up the glass, so when they try to take it, it becomes greasy? No. It's you one drinking from the glass, isn't it? You're the only one using it. So what does it matter